Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we have a fun and easy recipe. We're making beetroot tacos. I hope you enjoy this recipe. For the beetroot tacos, we've got beetroot which has been boiled and then sliced. Then we have some feta cheese or goat cheese. In this, I'm going to soften it, mix in some lemon rind and some finely chopped parsley. So I've got my feta cheese. I'm just going to soften this. I'm adding my lemon rind and some parsley to this and just give it a mix. My beetroot slices I'm arranging on a taco tray. I'm going to top my beetroot with the softened feta mix. Top this with some roasted walnuts. And it's ready to serve. So these are our beetroot taco. I hope you enjoy making this easy, fun and healthy recipe. Thank you for watching.